Hello guys, my name is Balaji Karkungar and welcome to Friday and welcome to my channel. So most of you guys have asked me how to make a YouTube channel. The first thing that you need is a camera. That is the most obvious necessary thing to have. So if you don't have a camera, you can use your phone. Yeah. If you have any other phone, as long as it shoot video, then you can use that to make YouTube video. So the second thing is the internet connection. Make use of the good internet connection that you have. Any internet connection, as long as it's quite fast, not that slow. So that is the second thing. The third thing is to focus on your interests. If you have any interest, like if you are a dancer, then make a video of yourself dancing. If you are good in comedy, then shoot a video of yourself making jokes and then make people laugh. Then if you are good at singing, then you can always start with singing. If you are good at painting, then make video of yourself painting. And then if you are good at anything that you are good at, it's a good idea in YouTube. And the last most important thing is to not think about money. So if you are thinking about money and then start a YouTube channel, then ultimately it will not grow, because YouTube is an interest based platform. So if you want to share yourself with the world, then YouTube is the first thing to consider. After you have mastered your interests and you have upload video for some time, then ultimately you can start earning money. But your main intention first is not to earn money. That is the most important thing to note down. And the last most important thing I forget is to start. So the hardest part in making YouTube channel or making YouTube video is the beginning. So the beginning is so the hardest thing is the beginning. So the first thing you have to do is to upload. Make a video and upload. The first video you upload is the first one that will put a step in your history or your life. So just put any video, just upload. Don't care what other people think. Once you take the first step, you will see the second step. That is what I'm saying. That is what I meant to say. So thank you guys for watching my video. I hope that I have given some education or advice to you guys. So I hope that from now on you can start making video. Leave a like in the comment section. Leave a like and then comment if you have any other comment in the comment section below, and then subscribe and then share it with your family or your friend if they want to make YouTube video. Thank you guys. See you guys in the next Friday or whatever day it is. Thank you. Bye bye. Guys, if you're wondering what is this, then this is my mic piece, like personal mic piece or custom made mic piece. This is a drawing. And why this one is my piece, because this in here I put an earphone. You can see. Check. Hello guys, my name is Balaji Karkungar, and check out my Instagram page. I have other stuff doing there, like I play guitar, but I stopped playing guitar for some reason. But I will keep on continuing making video, because that is what I am good at, or probably that is what I think I'm good at. So that's it. Thank you guys.